Alright, YouTube. I just saw us cross Shibuya Street. What's good, YouTube? We back. Good morning, I think. Yeah, no, it's a good afternoon. My bad, but we out here at Shibuya Street. We about to cross right now at the moment, but yeah, it's pretty dope. First time being at Shibuya Street. YouTube, I just saw us cross Shibuya Street, but we're gonna be at Shibuya and in Harajuku all day today, so I'm gonna try to give y'all the best views of all time. I mean, we already saw Harajuku, but I saw it in like midday time, but I'm gonna show y'all Shibuya and Harajuku during the daytime and the Sunday too, what makes it even better because everybody's out on the Sunday. So alright guys, I gave y'all a little look at what Shibuya looks like, but today what we had planned was to go to I think it's the art museum. I forgot what the name of it's called. I think it's teamLab something art museum, but it's visual arts. It's probably gonna be pretty dope, so I don't think I'm gonna really record that much right now, but in the meantime I'll just give y'all what kind of views I'm seeing right now from my point of view. So stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Oh, there we go. What's up, YouTube? We back. We at Harajuku right now. And then it's crazy at Harajuku. I'll tell you that right now. It's mad crazy at Harajuku. I'm gonna give y'all a little front view of what I'm looking at right now. So many people out here, that don't make no sense. All right guys, we made it to Aomi Station, which is where the Visual Arts Museum is at. Earlier we took the wrong station and kind of put us behind schedule, but it's okay. They say you could come on in after 6, which we rescheduled it at. But yeah, we over here with like a lot of a lot of stuff like Rainbow Bridge at. We did Mario Kart in this area yesterday, so yeah. I'm gonna show y'all once we get there like what it looks like, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we made it. It is stupid packed out here. Really packed. But it should be really cool though. I'm ready to see what's gonna be happening inside. I didn't expect this many people to be here though. Did not expect this at all. Alright guys, we back at the hotel room. My GoPro died during the video, so I ain't had no way to charge it, so I had to just go with the flow and just, you know, end it right there. But yeah, you already know what time it is. Like, comment, subscribe to more videos. That was the part 3 of the 3-part video of my weekend here in Tokyo for my birthday. Tell me what y'all like, tell me what you didn't like, you know how they go. And we out, peace.